Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset AMAZFIT Active Max to factory settings. So first, what you guys want to do is open up the Zepp app, and the first thing we're gonna do is go over and unpair it right here. Now, as you guys can see here, we have the items to retain. So for an example, we can do that. So it will choose those items to stay, click on unpair, and then click OK. So I do not have as you guys can see now, the watch is unpaired. Never mind, I do have an option to unpair it. As you guys can see, the watch completely turned off. Now if we want to factory reset it, we can configure it again, and then what can we do is we can easily go and make that through the settings. So as you guys can see, here we have it. Now all we have to do is choose a device, scan the QR code, and now click allow. Now it's connecting to the device again, and click allow access to contacts and call logs, click pair, and wait for it to stop pairing. Press the check mark on the watch, and now they are paired. So let's quickly skip right through. Now everything is good. What are we gonna do next is go over and go to the apps here, and here in the apps scroll down until you guys see the settings. Here we're gonna scroll down, and in those settings we need to go over to the system, then go over to factory reset and reset everything by clicking confirm. Now it is resetting, and let's skip it here. As you guys can see, we have successfully factory reset it. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.